So you just spent a lot of money on an X5 and a Insta360 mic Air, and you want to see what the sound sounds like. Um, I'll be doing a little tutorial on the settings at the end and kind of doing a quick drive with the helmet open, helmet closed, just so you guys can kind of get a feeling for the sound. Right now we're at a dead stop with the helmet open. This is what it sounds like with the helmet closed. So it should sound a little bit better. The mic is currently right next to my mouth, a couple inches, maybe an inch or two right here, with the muffled windscreen on. So I'm not quite sure how it sounds yet until we get going. But the next part is we're going to start the bike and we're going to go from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and see how everything sounds with the screen open, wind open, everything open. So I have an appointment at 11, so let's see if I can go around real quick and do this. So this is the audio capture. It's right now set to, I think, voice voice selection. Noise reduction is off on the actual mic mini, and then the gain is set to -9. But I'll show you guys that in the settings at the end. Let's go for a quick ride around the block. So we're at 10. So I don't know what the noise is right now, but this is 20. Took it up to about, this is 30. Got a speed bump. So just cruising through the neighborhood right now at maybe 20 miles an hour, about to hit 25. So the wind isn't too bad in my ears. I don't know how it is in the mic. The mic is right next to my mouth, so hopefully it's not too loud. So let's go around the block. We're gonna hit 30, 40, 50. Acceleration. We are at 40 miles an hour. So we're cruising at 30. Take a quick stop. So we're gonna head it up to about 50 and see how it sounds. So we are at 50 miles an hour right now, cruising with the screen down. I'm just gonna slow it down real quick. And I guess this is a good point to switch into shield mode. So the wind noise should probably drop at this point, and we are cruising about 30 miles an hour. I'm going to bring it up to about 40. Accelerating. And we're now at 50. Just cruising along. Wind noise is there. This isn't a very good helmet for that, so. But you guys can kind of take a guess at what the sound is. Hopefully it's clear. Take a little turn right here. Turn around. Don't fall down the hill. Oh god. So yeah, we're at a dead stop. This is what everything sounds like. This is also going to be in dual track mode, so you guys can kind of see what the sound is for both. We're heading back now. This is acceleration at 20. Going to 30. This is 40. And we're cruising about 50 miles an hour right now, so whatever noise you're getting is the noise you're getting on a no noise reduction in the settings, and -9 gain. Slowing down right now. Make a turn right here. So yeah, if you guys are thinking of getting a mic Air for the Insta360, it's pretty useful for other things too. It has a remote control function. It's pretty cheap, and I got the transmitter only because I like to hardwire the 360 to the bike so I don't have to bring an extra battery. But I'm gonna pull over right here and take a look at the audio, see how it sounds. Okay, we'll turn around right here. Don't fall over. And yeah, let's go take a look at the footage. And as for the settings, pretty straightforward. If you have X5, pull down the screen, go over to audio. For dual track audio, I have mine enabled. You're gonna put everything as normal. Built-in microphone on the camera, strong wind reduction, and then gain adjustment on, and set it to -9. I don't know if this affects both, but I think it just it says here Bluetooth headphones and microphone, so that's there. And go back, and then Insta360. Oops, Insta360 itself, I have noise reduction in the settings off, and that's about it. That's the audio quality that comes out from that setting and the placement of the mic. You might have to play with yours, but that's pretty much it.